Hi Bella, just wanted to show you how to upload your spelling words into a Google Doc. What would you would do is go up to once you're signed in to your Gmail account, you're going to go up to this waffle right here. You'll click on it, go to Docs, and then you will want to click on blank. Once you've done that, you want to add a title to your document. So let's say it's spelling activity number 1. So you would do that. Then you would do whatever, if it's writing the spelling words 5 times each, you would do that here. If you need to paste them in here, you would right click paste, and paste in, and then you can finish it up. So a Google Doc is a working document. It will not, it'll automatically save as you're going through it. So if you can't finish it, you can always come back to your Google Drive and finish it up. So let me show you real quick how to do that. If you need to come back to your Google Drive, you'll go to your Drive, and you can look for it. There's my spelling activity number 1. It just popped up right there. So you're going to do your activity, and then to save it as a PDF, you're going to go to Download, PDF Document, click on it, and there, it saved it right there for me. And then that's what you would upload to your BrightThinker. So let me know if you have any questions about this, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope your bronchitis is getting better.